Hey contractors, are you looking to get your New Hampshire contractor's license? I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today I'll show you how to do it all, from license type, application steps, and insurance requirements. It's all in this video. Let's start with license types. In New Hampshire, general contractors don't need a state level license. Instead, licensing is handled by local cities or counties. So be sure to check with your local authorities before starting any projects. Now, electricians and plumbers, however, do need a state license from the New Hampshire Board of Electricians or the Mechanical Licensing Board. If you're in specialized trades like HVAC or mechanical work, you'll also need a statewide license. So how do you get your New Hampshire contractor's license? Here's the 5-step process. Step 1, choose your license type. Determine if you need a local license, a state issued trade license, or both. Step 2, complete educational or apprenticeship. Electricians and plumbers must complete a 4-year apprenticeship, including 8,000 hours of on-the-job training and 576 hours of classroom instruction. Step 3, you'll need to submit your application. This includes providing proof of your apprenticeship, educational transcripts, certificates, and paying the application fee. Step 4, pass the state exam. If you're applying for an electrical or plumber's license, you'll need to pass the state exam on trade knowledge, building codes, and safety standards. And finally, step 5, get insured and bonded. Liability insurance is key, and if you have employees, you'll also need workers' compensation insurance as well. Some larger projects may also require a surety bond to guarantee your contractual obligations. Next up, let's break down the insurance requirements. To work legally in New Hampshire, you'll need to have general liability insurance, which helps to protect against property damage and bodily injury to third parties. Many clients and local governments also require at least $1 million in general liability coverage. If you have employees, you'll also need workers' compensation insurance. It covers medical expenses, wage replacements, and disability benefits in the case of an on-job injury or illness. Some contracts, especially for public work, may require a surety bond to ensure you fulfill your contractual obligations. Now, here is an example of an insurance certificate required for your license. It signals to your clients that you are insured, professional, and ready for business. You now have everything you need to get your contractor's license in New Hampshire. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and ask any questions you may have in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you need insurance, simply click the link in the description to get a fast, free quote and lock in your insurance today. For a deeper breakdown on the licensing process, please read the blog linked in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and keep building.